Oh yes. Yeah. What's up, guys? What's up, man? Um, welcome to another video. Welcome to another video, guys. Today is Thursday, 22nd of May, guys. Thursday, 22nd of May. This one is just an update, guys. Update. EURUSD. Let me go to the dollar index. Yeah, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm bearish here, but I'm stuck, right? So last night when I was looking at the market, I thought it was gonna do something like this. Maybe by now I would have thought it would be somewhere here by now, but yeah. So I was gonna say I thought that maybe the market was gonna start selling throughout today. So this is what I would have liked to see. Yeah. This is the move I would have liked to see, but it still goes against my rules because this law has not been broken. So I'm stuck now, right? But then, sorry. So yeah, but I think I'm just gonna wait for the market to break this low first before I do anything. So let's go to GBPUSD. Um, GBPUSD, guys. I feel like this one is a buy. It's a buy. It's bullish right now, so I'm only gonna look to take buys. I'm very bullish. Let's go to the 15 minutes. To the 15. What is price doing here? Let's go to the 4. Oh shit. So you guys can clearly see there. This is how the market's moving right now in my eyes. So price was at a low, created this high, then it created this low, right? And then one can argue that this whole move is an impulse, you know, just waiting to be corrected before shooting up, right? You guys can clearly see that from here you just broke above impulsive, right? But someone could be like, you know, this is how they see it, like, and then maybe they're gonna wait for a pullback here and then shoot up with it. This is how someone else could see, which is not wrong, you know. It's very confusing, but I'm gonna look at it from the grand scheme of it. I don't know what I'm saying. The grand scheme of things. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna look at it like this, and then this is the highest point. This is how I'm gonna view it. So I'm probably gonna expect a pullback from, maybe the pullback should last. So yeah, I'm gonna start looking to buy the market once it gets below the 50%. So maybe around here we might start catching entries. But as you can see, we also have an order block here, a lot of imbalance. So maybe the market might come to, you know, feel the imbalance before shooting up. So this is the ideal trade that I would like to see. Yeah, so I'm not gonna trade any sells or anything like that. This is just a 4 hour, guys. And I need to go to 15. On the 15, okay, guys, you can see it clearly. See we are bullish. 15-minute chart looks like this. Correction. This is an impulse. So also, guys, the market might just do this. We're not gonna ignore the fact that it might just retrace to this before shooting up. And on the 4 hour, it's that little zone there. I'll show you guys. You see, it's like this. It's this pullback here. And this is a pullback, and this is an impulse, and then now it's gonna come here and then shoot up. That's also a possible setup, but then my ideal setup is down here, right? So on the 15-minute, you need to give it a minute. So on the 15-minute, look what it looks like. Price is still on the bullish trend. So this could also be a setup as well. So we'll just see what the market gives me. If I get entry confirmations here, like around here, then obviously I'm gonna enter. But then if not, then I'll probably wait to enter below somewhere here. So that's GBPUSD. You guys know EURUSD as well, same thing. But with EURUSD, the confusing thing is, let me show you guys can clearly see making bullish structure. Like I said there, this is an impulse for me, right? Even though there is this move which is valid, but me, when I look at it from a bigger picture, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is my correction, and this is my impulse. So I'm gonna wait for something along here, a pullback below the 50%. Why? Waiting for price to discount before you buy. So I'm gonna do this. So anywhere below here. So maybe price might come sweep this low here and then correct the imbalance we have here before shooting up. So this is the move I'm looking for on EURUSD as well. I'm not gonna try and buy on premium here. But yet again, guys, this price this zone could also just hold, because you guys can clearly see this is how market is. Market might just come here and shoot up as well, like on the 15-minute as well. Gonna show me the structure here. You guys can clearly see it might just, this low might just hold, and then we buy from these zones, because on the 15-minute structure, it's still on, it's at discount pricing, you see. So if you can just find some other blocks or imbalances here, and price gives me like a break of structure confirmation or a change of character, then I don't see a problem in buying, but yeah. Also, the confusing part of this is that we still haven't broken this high. So this is now where I decide, okay, I'm gonna use this zone here as a reaction zone, because price came to our bigger time frame. Is demand here, supply. No, the demand, this demand. So now these structures points are just reaction zones. So yeah, that's how I see it. The previous supply zones are just reaction zones, so that's why I'm waiting for a reaction to sell before we go up. Oh, this one, GBP, Euro GBP, still haven't gotten the sweep. Yeah, guys, on the 4 hour, cause like look now, look what's happening on the 4 hour. It's a low, it's a high, that's a low. Now we're gonna come here to come to the zone first, cause what's going on now? I wanna show you guys some, you know. Oh my days. What's wrong with this Wi-Fi, man? This Wi-Fi. Okay, guys, let me quickly draw this zone right here. Fast. I don't know what happened to my drawings. So you guys can clearly see this order block here. Yeah, on the daily. Price didn't come into the order block, right? So, but it's now moving up, and I would have liked to see it tap into this order block first before buying, right? But look at the structure, guys. You know, we are still in the corrective phase. Look at this. So maybe price might just start doing this, then sweep before shooting up, right? So, or yeah, guys, wait, this is the first move we're looking for. Obviously, when you go to a lower time frame, when you get around this point, we look for, you know, a change of character pattern before we buy. You know, when we get somewhere around here, we look for this pattern before starting to look for buys, you know. Or the market might just do this. You see where it is now? Okay, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low. If price breaks and closes above this high, then I'm no longer gonna consider this zone, you know, as something to watch for. I'm gonna start looking for zones from this leg here. You see this leg that it just created to break this high. I'm gonna look for zones within there before looking to buy and shoot up with it. So that's what I'm gonna do on Euro GBP. You know, let's go to the 4 hour. So the question is, what happens now once price gets to this high? That's the question now. This high right here. Price is gonna get to the high. What's going on? So yeah, guys. Once price gets to this high, this is a minor high. You know, what's gonna happen, because this is how the structure is looking. What's gonna happen once price gets to that high? Do we sell or do we wait? Oh, like guys, I don't know. I don't know because price is now in a downtrend, but it's in a corrective. It's in a correction right now within the big correction. So now it's a thing of, do we sell here and wait for this before looking to buy, or do we just totally ignore the sell move if it was to happen and just wait for this buy Don't know. It's a tough one. It's really tough. It's really tough because if you sell, oh wait, yes. Oh, wait, what the fuck? So this will be like a phase B, miss. Yeah, this will be a phase B. Okay. Yeah, it'll be a phase B trade, I guess. Or should I just completely ignore the sell? I don't know. I'll see what I decide, y'all. But for now, this is how it's looking for me. But then to ignore this whole sell would be so crazy because it's a long ass move though. This is not that's a big time frame. I probably will take the sell if the sells do happen. Yeah, that's a big move. I probably would. So yeah, that's Euro GBP. GBPCHF. I am in a trade here. I'm in a buy position. I bought this. Let me show you my confirmation here on the 15 minute. I bought somewhere around here because of spread, but I saw a chalk pattern, guys, and I just couldn't resist. What's going on? Still doesn't want to give me my buy position. No position expanding. What's going on now? Anyways, I bought somewhere around here. Yeah, so my thing is somewhere. Let me put a line here. I don't know why this long position is tweaking. Somewhere around here, bro. So price is at somewhat break even, and my stop loss is somewhere here. I'll just put a screenshot on the video now, and then my target, I won't lie, I put it all the way up here, guys. Bam! That's what I'm targeting on this trade. Yes, sir. This is what I'm targeting on the trade, Baba. Life. Yeah. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. But I saw the chalk pattern and I just couldn't resist. you know. But yeah, you guys saw the analysis. I'm still bullish on this trade, still bullish, you know. I believe it's gonna come somewhere here before we start looking for sales. So yeah, guys, we'll see, man. That's just the update, a young update. And yeah, thanks for watching, I guess.